Welcome back to D-Mellow Customs. Today, in this video, I plan on restoring this knife. We'll get back to that sheath in a while. But it's marked Finland, Fiskars, Normark. I think it was made in England. The sheath has a cut here, which if you put up in here, put that in there, it comes out there. So I'm just gonna maybe epoxy that. I'm thinking we're gonna clean up all this paint. I'm just gonna get it back nice and shiny. So here's a before, what she looks like. Okay, maybe polish that brass, get that back looking nice. 1967, if you can see that. All right, we're gonna start with the sheath first, since I'm gonna epoxy that. Let that cure. Once that's cured, I'll have the knife completed as well. So what I did was I poured nail polish remover. We're gonna go with that first, see if that works, and it's working a little bit, so not bad. Not sure how I'm gonna save this with these cuts on there. Just a tiny bit of epoxy. Oh, if you're wondering what I'm using, give me a second once I put this cap back on. JB Weld, pretty good stuff. Been using that for a while on different projects. Can't complain. I think I overdid it, you know, but it's all right. All right. So now, doing this without getting shit dirty, which is not a problem for me. I'll clean it up. I'm gonna get it right in there. Okay, right on that plastic. There's some plastic there, and then right on the leather. You don't want to put too much on that leather. It's so thin over here, which is probably going to lose out a little bit. It's a shame it ripped a little bit of the lettering, but it is what it is. The yard seal fine, it's out of my hands. All that matters, it's back in my hands, or should I say it's just in my hands. Alright, here we go. I got a rag ready for this. Just go like that. Alright, a little more here. Okay. Now, to clean that little bottom lip. Okay, now I'm going to press it. And I'm going to have to hold it somehow down. I might have to put a piece of tape. It's looking like right about here. Let's see what's going on over here in this area. A little flimsy over here. But man, huh? I don't need tape. I'm just going to wait about play with this 6 minutes. It's going to harden up really quick. Hardens up in 6 minutes, cures about 4 to 6 hours. I'm not worried too much about curing because this is just, it'd be fine. Let me just make sure inside I didn't get it over here. I'll know with this. And it's clean. Alright, so I have her polished up. God damn it. Hitting shit. Not bad. Better than what it was. She has a few scratches in there, but I'm not gonna go crazy like I said. Now we're gonna work on this edge. The edge is sharp, but it's not razor sharp. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna use the 2x72, and I'm gonna put a nice little edge there, put a nice little burr, and then from there go to the whetstone 800 king stone, and then from there I'm gonna strop it right on the buffer with some liquid compound. Here it is. One thing, no more strap. The strap is ruined. Not only it's all cut up and this and that like it was, the top hole disintegrated, came apart. I put an awl, I put a hole through to make a second area to hold it, and no luck. So anyways, that's how the sheath is looking. There's that repair, looking pretty good actually. I put some leather treatment on it. Let's check out the knife. Just polished it up. Looking a lot better than what it was. Fixed the edge, put a nice edge on there.